Hi, I'm Thomas Mucha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use generative AI tools in idea brainstorming. More specifically, we are going to be looking at how to create new ideas for activities at a company event. This is going to be an on-site event where we bring together people from around the world to do team building and exchange knowledge and competencies of team members. Let's say we were tasked with preparing structure and content for a company event for an internal data science and analytics team. This is a team of people who are located around the world in different business units. They maybe collaborate sometimes with each other, but definitely they don't know each other very well. So we need to create some kind of activity that will help integrate and break the ice at the beginning of the event, so that everyone who is coming on site, maybe for some of the people who are participating, will be first time coming to, let's say, corporate headquarters and meeting colleagues from other business units. So we need to come up with some activities that will help in running this kind of event. So we can leverage large language model such as ChatGPT, which is the one tool that we're going to be using in this case in our brainstorming process to help come up with different activities for the day. So this is a prompt that I prepared for this situation. So I'll copy this and I'll move to ChatGPT. This time we are not going to be using a generic version of ChatGPT, but rather a specialized GPT or a custom GPT, which is made specifically to boost productivity of idea generation and brainstorming. So let's go ahead and paste our prompt. And the way this custom GPT is programmed or designed is that it first always follows up with an alternative 3 questions that can guide the brainstorming process. So let's choose which one meets best our own criteria. So let's say the second one is the best. All right, and now, as you can see here, based on my prompt and then the selected question, the innovator will generate 10 ideas, and then it will continue with a web search to add another 10 ideas. So we will already have a list of 20 hopefully unique ideas that can be used in our brainstorming, and we can of course continue working on these later on. So here you can see this is the initial list of 10 ideas that were generated based on just on the prompt and the knowledge base of the model, but then it went out and conducted a web search, and then it is expanding the list with additional ideas. So the way this GPT is structured is that it works off this initial 20 ideas as a starting point, and then it has some predefined constraints that it will try to impose on these ideas to create more options or variants for for these activities. So you can see that this becomes already fairly customized and unique set of ideas that you can, of course, keep on tweaking and developing towards a direction that you want to go. But I would say that this already looks like a fairly impressive list of ideas for activities for a team day at the company side. So I'm not going to be continuing with the full process of this custom GPT, but I think this already demonstrates to you that you can really boost productivity of brainstorming activities, and you don't need to be just following the suggestions of the model. You can drive it in your own direction and add additional ideas which will be incorporated into this analysis. So that's why I think that this is a good illustration that use of generative models can really boost creativity of employees rather than just constrain them to specific tasks or ways of thinking. So really the users can be in the driver's seat and can through interaction and own intent drive the generation of new ideas. Generative AI tools carry the potential to boost creativity. They are already now at our fingertips. They are tireless brainstorming partner, and they can iterate on ideas and do background research for us on the spot. However, they require that we ask the right questions, we guide them, and then finally, we make the right choices.